Hey YouTube! Hello. Today I'm going to teach you how to make mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is one of my favorite foods, and if you disagree, you can just leave. Like, now. Unless you're lactose intolerant, then that's just not fair. But if not, leave. Okay, now we can start. So how am I such a seasoned chef, you might be asking? Well, it all started one night when I was grounded from ordering DoorDash because what am I doing? Let's just make the mac and cheese. But before we start, if you want the best results, you gotta use the Kraft brand. If you want to be healthy and use the Annie's brand, I mean, go ahead, but also, what is wrong with your taste buds? So once you got your box of Kraft, you're ready to start. Take a pot of water and boil it on the stove. This will take some time. I was told a watch pot never boils, but I actually think if you stare at it long enough, your eyes will burn a hole in it along with the stove, causing it to heat up faster. This is a scientifically proven fact. Okay, so now that it's boiling, you can just pour the macaroni in and set a timer for about 7 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 7 minutes.
Sorry, I don't know.
Alexa, set a timer for 7 minutes.
Start a free trial for only $5.99.
Alexa! Okay, once you have your timer going, make sure you stir the noodles every once in a while, otherwise they'll stick to the pan. While you're waiting, you can just move on to step 3. Okie dokie, so to make the cheese part, you'll need milk, the little cheese packet they give you, which is totally healthy, cough cough, and 4 tablespoons of margarine. Margarine? What the heck is margarine? We're using butter. So the box says to pour the milk, cheese, and butter all in separately at the end, but if you want a really good consistency, mix the cheese powder with the milk, and then pour that mixture in and the butter separate. Trust me. Alexa, stop. Okay, step 4, you're going to take a strainer and put it in your sink. Then take your pot and pour it into the strainer. Now just put the macaroni back in the pot and we can move on to step 5. This is my favorite part. So this is when we get to take Mr. Mac and introduce him to Mrs. Cheese. Mac and cheese. Just pour the cheese mixture and the butter into the pot, stir, and boom, you've got a wonderful, creamy, delicious, aesthetically pleasing, beautiful pot of mac and cheese. Now all that's left to do is turn the stove off, grab a bowl of your choosing, a fork. Yes, I use a fork to eat mac and cheese, not a spoon. Come at me all you want. And finally, eat to your heart's content. Anyway, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope I taught you something, because I feel like there's too many people in this world who don't know how to make mac and cheese. And it saddens my heart to know that. So, this video is very special to me, you know? Anyway, how do you end these things? Bye. Like, comment, rate, subscribe, all that jazz and stuff. And yeah, bye.